This video shows how to update the firmware on the ORMR reader. In addition to the reader, you'll need a computer with a web browser, a terminal emulator such as HyperTerminal or CoolTerm, and a USB to serial cable. Updates cannot be done over the wireless Bluetooth link. Go to OregonRFID.com and select the Software and Manuals item from the Resources menu. There are 3 firmware files for the ORMR reader. Select the one named ORMR1. When the file appears, select all the data and then copy it to the clipboard. Switch to the terminal emulator and type FW1 and then answer Y. Then paste the firmware. The file is loaded into the reader, then the checksums are verified to make sure the transfer has no errors. It's done. Next, go back to OregonRFID.com, select the Software and Manuals item from the Resources menu, and select the ORMR2 file. Select all the data and copy it to the clipboard. Switch to the terminal emulator, type FW2 and answer Y. Then paste the firmware. Go back to OregonRFID.com, select Software and Manuals again, select the ORMR3 file, select all, copy to the clipboard. Switch to the terminal emulator, type FW3, answer Y, then paste the firmware. The reader update is complete. If you see the No Firmware message, make sure you've selected the correct firmware file. You can also press the Reset button with the reader power off to reset the reader. If you get the checksum error message, make sure you're not using the terminal emulator PuTTY. You can also press the Reset button with the reader power off to reset the reader. There are 2 reset buttons on the ORMR. One is a blue button on the lower circuit board, and the other is a white button on the top board. If you have any problems, contact us at support@OregonRFID.com. We have an extensive FAQ in our help desk on our webpage. We can schedule Zoom sessions to assist you. And our YouTube channel has some helpful videos. We also offer classes and webinars upon request. Thank you very much.